Hello subscribers, I'm making this video to update you on the current project. It's a Petter M 5 horsepower from 1927. The state of the engine wasn't that bad from outside, but mainly the big end was doomed and had to face the fear and make a new white metal big end bearing. After several tries, it came as I wanted. Haven't filmed any footage because I was not sure if it will be completed or not, or the time frame it will be completed in. But happily enough, now it's almost time to have it running. I have some photos of the process. I will attach them into this video at the end maybe. These engines being a two-stroke suffer lack of lubrication because it is not mixed with petrol. Those who know stationary engines like the Listeré and all the old ones, the mains will have oil rings and will be lubricated via the oil rings, like those. They will pick up oil and will be wiped with the crank. On this engine, this side will only lubricate that side and the main only. So as long oil isn't sucked into the engine or spilling from the crank, it will stay there. On the other side, that oil will need to lubricate the big end, so it will only last for some moment. That oil will be added with the glass oiler from here and will be topped while running. The oil to the big end will pass via a screw. You see? Will pass via a screw on the crank. So if the oil will not be topped, it will suffer from lack of lubrication, which this one did. The crank was ground before machining the new big end. New rings was purchased as well, as the middle one was missing. So that's basically it, really. At the moment I am going to time the magneto, the spark. Had a crack on the fuel tank, which was repaired. Hope you like this update. Happy festive season, happy Christmas and happy New Year. Thanks for watching.